tôi để bây giờ cho tôi cho mọi gì từ Txhawb cả giờ đây cho Txhawb mô hình theo xe của tôi tiếp lên là nó thì xin đi mua khó hơn được theo chỉ những người lo chỉ tôi biết lo rồi thì chơi tôi là sợ chạy là người hại tôi là nói với tôi sai nhớ trong biết rồi là nó thì tôi cho cái nó thì chịu thiệt đi nhiều chỉ tôi chỉ về trong những tôi là nó muốn cho hìnhที่ on ยังก็เป็น election day thì những cô ấy tôi là một kia run for supervisor nhớ trong district E là nó thì này cho nhớ trong lên ra district E là nó thì please go out and vote cái cái mỗi tuần mong sẽ chia được cái lúc xưa này thì cứ cho đồng Marine này tuần sai mong hơn thì mình có gì mai mong vui thì lúc xưa là cái cuộc sinh của mình hoa Marine vui là chỉ tuần sai mong hơn thì lúc xưa là Marine
It's an honor to be here today. So one day, I've been very fortunate that the last couple of years, and so I've been very fortunate that you guys stand by me in everything I do. So yeah, well, digital Thai thì yon ba đi dài yon ấy ní ha, ở thủ đầu thờ ho, thiệt là chuyện gì ha thì ví dụ đi dài cái thay đổi thì, sau khi thọ quan ní ha, ý lên nghe ý lên gì, đó là cái số từ các tôi trong hành xá, I see a lot of familiar faces here. She's got over 20 years and thọ quan ní đó mình cứ nhiều ha, lúc nào đi long cái này cái gì, ní chừng bỏ đèn, hoa ní ní gì, sau khi thọ quan ní. So Xyooj, the whole Yuba County, on behalf of Supervisor Seth Creer, Npuag bata tashini no chitong day, so ni talk about Xyooj. Lomwa dang the whole Yuba County tuamo, don't normally ni lonyin to bejaneti, no yeah, for the means of gay, ni luming mo, telling some gay on when it's about them church. So today we are honoring and remembering the legacy of Tswv. On behalf of Yuba County and standing in place of Supervisor Fair today, I've been asked to read the proclamation. So whereas Tswv embodies the finest qualities of human spirit, a man who met hardship not with retreat, but with resolve, laboring in the fields of Laos, while relentlessly pursuing his education, and whose iron determination and unshakable character have never wavered through a lifetime of extraordinary trials. And whereas Tswv served with extraordinary valor as a special forces captain during the secret war in Laos from 1970 to 1975, executing perilous missions behind enemy lines under General Mekas alongside the American Central Intelligence Agency. Tswv was later uprooted from his homeland and forced into a refugee camp in Thailand, where he rose to lead and sustain his fellow refugees with selfless dignity. And whereas upon arrival in the United States in 1980, Tswv embraced this nation with the same fierce devotion he has given to every commitment in his life, building anew with humility and perseverance, and ultimately planting deep roots in Marysville, California, where Yuba County has been immeasurably enriched by his presence, his wisdom, and his enduring dedication to community. And whereas Tswv has spent decades ensuring that the sacrifices of Hmong veterans are never forgotten, championing their dignity and recognition through his devoted service to the Yuba Sutter Lao Veterans of America, standing as a fierce and faithful guardian of their legacy and a voice for those who serve in the shadows of history. And whereas Charlie Zong's service to Yuba County knows no bounds, extending beyond ceremony and advocacy to the very roads we travel, having led fellow veterans in adopting and caring for a section of Highway 70 as a living demonstration that true patriotism is expressed in quiet, daily acts of stewardship and love of community. Now therefore be it proclaimed that Yuba County proudly honors and remembers Charlie Zong for his extraordinary valor, selfless sacrifice, and whose profound service to his community have left an everlasting impact. Loveling Txhawb their proclamation. Thank you.